Не перестаю думать о тебе. Сошелся клином свод небесный, пусть даже на краю извечной бездны, но не перестаю я думать о тебе. Там, где ты, там солнце светит ярче. Там, где ты, там не бывает ночи. Там, где ты, там все совсем иначе. Там твоя душа живет с моей любовью. Там, где ты, там солнце светит ярче. Там, где ты, там не бывает ночи. Там, где ты, там все совсем иначе. Там твоя душа живет с моей любовью.
Shines bright, neon dreams take flight, waking life at night, stars in urban sight, nightlights guide my way, in the dark they play, colors bright and bold, stories to be told, streets alive with cheer, laughter we can hear, chasing dreams so near, heartbeats loud and clear, shadows dance on walls, echoes in the halls, midnight calls to me, wake me from this dream. Nightlights guide my way, in the dark they play, colors bright and bold, stories to be told, moonlight paints the sky, whispers passing by, feel the night's soft sigh, magic you and I.
Rolling waves crash on the shore, wild winds knocking at my door. But I can't leave this place, no way. The sunset's asking me to stay. City lights call out my name, promises of fortune fame. But here the stars, they whisper pray, and beg my heart to just delay. But I wanna stay in this moment. Hold tight the night, don't care where I'm going. 1,000 dreams might flow away, but right here, right now, I'll stay. whispers on the breeze, dancing through the autumn leaves. Every heartbeat, every sway tells me, baby, just to stay. Time is fleeting, don't you know? Running fast and nowhere to go. But right here, life finds a way. In the present, let me stay. Stay in this moment, hold tight the night, don't care where I'm going. 1,000 dreams might flow away, but right here, right now, I'll stay.
For forever, just a place to start, to mend the pieces, to heal the part. We'll write a story no one can tear apart. Just let me in your heart. Let me in your heart tonight. We'll find the stars, chase the endless light. No more fears, just love burning bright. Let me in your heart tonight.
whispers of winds through the lonely meadows. You hold my heart, fragile like the dawn. But summer fades and soon you'll be gone. White petals fall, the night grows cold. Love's fleeting warmth, slipping from my hold. Our dreams were bright, like stars in May. But even the brightest light fades away. In the rain, where no one could see, hearts full of hope, so wild and so free. But now there's a silence between us so wide, like oceans of tears we try to hide. White petals fall, the night grows cold. Love's fleeting warmth, slipping from my hold. Our dreams were bright, like stars in May. But even the brightest light fades away. White petals spatter on the ground. I search for your voice but there's no sound. Gone with the wind, your love like a flame. But in my heart, it still burns the same.